Hi, it's Darren Chang with Great Nation Insurance, and I wanted to talk about a hospital indemnity plan and how it may help you if you're on a Medicare Advantage plan. A lot of times, people who are on Medicare Advantage plans don't realize the huge out of pocket expense that they could incur while being on one of these plans. A lot of times, they forget about how their plan works. They don't bother to read their summary of benefits. And then when they go into the hospital or get cancer treatments or anything else, they get hit with these huge out of pocket expenses and go, Whoa, what happened? Why am I paying so much? Well, a hospital indemnity plan can certainly help you offset a lot of those expenses. I'm speaking from experience because I actually took one out on myself in February of 2021 this year. And then in August, I actually went into the hospital because I got hit with COVID and I think I had the new Delta strain. Well, anyway, I was in bad shape. I spent 6 days in the hospital. And then after I got out, I recovered, got out. And then next thing you know, I got hit with the hospital bills. Thank God my insurance company took care of a huge portion of it. And I was stuck with very little. I'm going to show you next what the explanation of benefits looked like and the check that they gave me because I filed a claim. It came very quickly from Heartland. This is the company that I chose for my hospital indemnity plan, and they paid their claim quickly. The claims process was real easy. I'm going to show you next exactly what they paid me, what the explanation of benefits look like. Everything's coming up next. Okay, here's a copy of the explanation of benefits, the EOB. It's a copy of that, including the copy of the check. And I blocked out a lot of stuff here for obvious reasons, but you can kind of get an idea of what this EOB looks like and the amounts that were charged here. It was a pretty expensive hospital stay, as you can see. Now, what's important to know is that when I opened up this plan with Heartland, I chose a $500 per day stay for a maximum of 5 days. Now, on my UBO4 that I sent to Heartland, apparently they only charged me for 3 days at the hospital. And then the rest, I guess they didn't include ICU and they didn't include the time I was in the emergency room overnight, but they did give me an emergency room benefit, which I was one of the options that I chose. I also chose a lump sum hospital confinement rider, which gave me an additional $2,500. So basically, I got a check for $4,350, which helped out a lot. Now, I only owed the hospital and some radiology about $1,000 total for everything. And the rest of this was for me. And the reason why a lot of people would say, well, why didn't they just pay for what you owed and that was it? Well, because this is an indemnity plan, so it doesn't matter. It wasn't just for the use of hospital. It could have been used for loss of income because you were in the hospital and things like that. So anyway, this check is to show that they do pay their claims. I got a check really quick from them. So happy I took it out. And I would encourage anyone that is on a Medicare Advantage plan in the Medicare world, when you see what your out-of-pocket expense is going to be, you might want to consider getting one of these hospital indemnity plans because it will definitely help offset some of those costs. And remember, it's not just to pay your hospital bills. It could be for anything. It could be loss of income or anything else that can help. This is a check just to help you when these situations happen. Anyway, I wanted to share my experience as a client and not just speaking as an agent. I was able to go through the claims process. It was not difficult. I sent them one form, which was the UBO4, and I got paid very quickly. I highly encourage anyone that's on a Medicare Advantage plan that has the potential for huge out-of-pocket expense to enroll in one of these hospital indemnity plans. They're not expensive. They're maybe $30, $40 a month, and it could be a little higher than that depending on how many coverages you want, but they are so worth it and you will get paid very quickly. And this could save you from a huge out-of-pocket expense that you're not even aware of on these plans. Anyway, I hope this video has helped you. If you like the content that I'm putting out, please do me a favor and hit the like button and also subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you can get notified of any new content that I'm putting out. I hope you have a great day and thanks for watching.